So, guys, welcome to this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the last one. I enjoyed it personally. It's probably one of my favorites. But I really don't know what this weekend has in store for us. As of right now, I'm going to a local car meet that happens every Friday, and then I don't know what the rest of the weekend holds. I think we're gonna crawl under my car on Saturday, so we'll see if that happens. Long story short though, with Silver Car, it's gone. And you're probably like, what, Nathan, you always get rid of your cars. Yeah. Wiring harness was fried, and with me still living with my parents and not having a garage or anywhere to work on my cars, I didn't have the time or the capability, like the environment to actually work on it, to do that. Just due to like family reasons and whatnot. So I have Lucas's now, so we have a black E46. So. Anyway, I'll see you guys when I see y'all. So we didn't go to the meet, or I did go to the meet last night. I didn't record it. Nolan, what are you doing?
Putting the 5th alternator in my truck.
Why?
Well, 2 reasons, and they're both 12 inches. Scared the fuck out of me. I thought Nathan was trying to walk around me and shove a finger at my ass.
Huh? You don't get copyright on that. Let's see what this girl got me.
What?
Talking to Richard.
Oh.
So what is it? Can I fit this? Oh shit, it's a Dickies. I'm definitely gonna wear this as like a work shop. Shop
That looks fine.
I mean, there's
Oh, it's
a little
That's fine.
mishap happened there.
Oh
as long as it goes back on.
And if it doesn't,
We'll make it go on.
jeez, Richard.
He's flexing on all the single fuckers out there.
You're welcome.
Ah!
Fuck!
You just fuck up your fuse box.
Something just shorted.
No, my wiring isn't going to be an issue.
It doesn't matter. One fuck up. You can't just
Jason's got some life left.
How much is it? No, it's gonna shut off.
Huh?
It's gonna shut off.
Alright, we're back.
How much is on the battery?
This one says 10%.
Oh, that's too much. I actually have to.
I'm telling you guys, piece of shit.
How
many times have we worked on this thing recently?
Everything I've done to work on it was like because of myself. Like I wrecked it.
That's fair. Every time I slide my truck, I don't have to fix it.
I only had to fix this because I wrecked it.
Yeah.
That's what I'm doing right now. And I actually slide this. Your sliding in your truck's nothing compared to what I do in this.
Yeah, I don't have the right differentials too.
That's probably fine.
I need to go over this side.
Just damn light for a second.
I do not have enough to do this whole thing.
Enough lights?
Yeah.
How tight are your weaves gonna be?
Well, I'm gonna have to stretch them out now to make it fit. So we'll go put a piece right there.
You're good.
No, we'll follow the body line. So
Yeah, I'm gonna grab all your other ones. So... Oh, there's the other one. This one's green.
I'm good. Your clothes, whack. Your body line, whack. The way she moves, whack.
Come on. There we go.
Hopefully we don't have
I've done this before.
Yeah, I was on a Jeep.
Yeah, and
With
this
like the
is
shittiest paint ever.
this is
one
a
has,
drift
like,
car.
This has like okay paint.
I still could care less. This is a drift car.
Oh, Kevin. Yo, it's my toge car. Doesn't mean it can't look nice though.
This thing's claps, and most of these panels are getting replaced anyway.
Don't lie to yourself.
No, I'm getting a black hood for it. I've got a black doors for it.
Just show you that. Yeah.
Should I call Hunter, see if he can come over?
He doesn't want to fucking come over.
He never wants to come over.
Yeah. I don't even know why he doesn't want to do his engine in my garage.
'Cause that's a lot of commitment to someone else's property.
Not really.
It is if we can't get it done in a day.
Doesn't really matter if it's done in a day. I kind of want the job.
And then my Prelude was sitting here for like a week because Hunter showed me the wrong schematics for the distributor. He showed me one for like a B series, I think it was.
I'll do the green ones next.
Good job.
And then I'm gonna cluster the green ones and then go wide on the white ones again. So, I don't know what Nolan all recorded, honestly, so I don't know how long this video is going to be, but I am going to film an outro. I'm getting ready to run to the store to get myself a toothbrush and some stuff to snack on, because I have a sweet tooth. But I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'm going to try and record more while we're at the shop and just partaking in like shenanigans and stuff, just because it's good content. We have fun. I hope you guys have fun too. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below. Help grow the algorithm, spread it out more, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good one.